Good day to everyone. Today this presentation is going to talk about the study on how ICT impact Malaysia's community and culture, the challenges faced and solutions to overcome it. We will go through the introduction of ICT. We will study the impact to the Malaysian community and culture. We will identify the challenges faced and we will suggest a few solutions to overcome these challenges for the betterment of ICT's community in Malaysia. First of all, what is ICT? In simple words, infrastructure, combination of hardware and networking components plus system and application. You combine this, you get to interact people, businesses and non-governmental organizations in the digital world. So, some interesting facts about ICT. First, it's Malaysia's largest economic subsector, 8.4% value growth. Then, it came up top in ICT competitiveness index among developing nations Asia. Malaysia is the first. And also, some of the ICT's branches involve e-learning, e-commerce, e-public services like the My Government portal, ICT R&D, intellectual property. Now we will study the impacts of how ICT affects Malaysian community and culture. Number one, it helps people to get connected together. People who stay in the city and those in the rural get to remove barriers of information hierarchy. They get access to multiple information all the time. Also, ICT helps people in their daily activities. It reduces bureaucracy, improves coordination and administration work. This photo shown is one of the My Government portal. With this kind of integrated system, people can pay tax, register their children for school, and so many different kind of transactions by one single platform. Next, ICT contributes to Malaysia's job opportunity and wages. One of the good examples is it creates so many jobs in terms of big data, artificial intelligence, robotics, and also the National ICT Association of Malaysia (PICOM) is expected to deliver 192 billion of GDP in 2018. This is a comparison of ICT earners and non-ICT earners. Alright, ICT earners in 2015 they earn average about 53,000 ringgit per year. Non-ICT earners 26,000, it's almost half a billion. Now we will look at some of the challenges faced by ICT in Malaysian community and culture. The first one, fake news. Community was always misled and confused by this kind of fake news, and in fact, 63% of Malaysians they cannot differentiate which is fake and which is genuine news. Cyberbullying is a serious problem happening worldwide. A global cyberbullying data survey from 20,793 adults ranked Malaysia was the 6th worst for cyberbullying among 28 countries. From this chart, you can see Malaysia is at number 6 for the percentage of parents that report their children who has been a victim of cyberbullying from 2011 to 2018. The next challenge, expensive telco rates, poor internet connections and speed. Malaysia is ranked 74 out of 167 countries for fixed broadband services, which is very low. For fiber broadband, 64 out of 180. And look at the download speed, 22.56 megabytes, far behind Singapore, 161 MB, Korea, 129 MB. We have to improve this. So there are some suggestions for the challenges that we mentioned just now. First of all, we need to create more awareness to the public to let them know what are the available platforms to seek help and counseling. Alright? The public can call this number 15999. It's a national 24-hour hotline to lodge report on online abuse, cyberbullying cases. And some of the counseling provided: Prevent Desperation, Protect and Save the Children, Women's Center for Change, and so on. Alright, so these are some of the information that we can actually look for to overcome cyberbullying problems. Then, implement and reinforce law and regulations. In 2018, the Anti-Fake News Bill was passed by the Cabinet, and hence, those bullies can be fined and be jailed or both. Last, community should learn when to say no to ICT at times. For example, in Korea, the Korean government launched a program, comprehensive plan to resolve and prevent internet addiction educate its people that ICT is not everything. Try to take at least 1 day off from a week, stay away from digital appliances. So in conclusion, ICT has expanded vastly over areas like health, education, banking, and so on. ICT connects people, it brings convenience, it creates more job opportunities. This is some of the good impacts. And among the challenges that we discussed just now, we have to seek way to overcome it by equipping ourselves with skills and knowledge to master ICT, to stay competitive, and to be a smart ICT user to live a healthy and tech-savvy life. That's all from my presentation for today. Thank you very much.